There was a time when you needed a beefy laptop to do a bit of photo editing. That's because back then you needed a very powerful processor with a dedicated GPU on your laptop to do any sort of graphically intensive tasks. The combination of a high-performance processor and an integrated GPU just wasn't there. However, those days are long gone. The latest generation of laptops, like the MSI Modern 14H, are changing that thanks to the impressive level of performance we get with an integrated GPU. In fact, they are powerful enough to take on demanding tasks like photo editing. So what exactly do we get with this particular laptop? Well, kicking things off is the incredibly powerful 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H processor. This offers a total of 8 cores and 12 threads of performance with a max clock speed of 4.6 GHz. Do note that this is an H series processor. These processors are designed for high-performance laptops and are usually found on gaming machines. Just so you know, laptops in this category generally sport a U series processor which is designed for thin and light laptops. So by utilizing an H series processor, MSI has clearly prioritized performance, which is perfect for resource-intensive tasks such as photo editing. Of course, this processor also comes with Intel UHD graphics. However, note that you can get up to an Intel Iris Xe graphics chip with this laptop. This integrated GPU is designed around creators while also being extremely power efficient. As such, it can easily take on photo editing while ensuring long battery life. It also offers 16 GB RAM with 512 GB of storage. This should be more than enough for most photo editing tasks. Further, the MSI Modern 14H packs a compact 14-inch Full HD Plus panel, and the whole thing weighs just 1.6 kg. So you could take this along with you on your next photo shoot without it weighing you down. But don't just take our word for it. Here's the laptop in action with Adobe Photoshop running on it. This is one of the most popular photo editing apps out there, so it makes for an excellent platform to showcase the capabilities of the MSI Modern 14H. Let's edit a simple photo. Now, Photoshop can be quite resource intensive. The laptop will need to render images, apply effects, and so on and so forth. For this edit, we're going to keep things a little straightforward. Maybe a quick background removal, add an outline to the subject, and of course some text. And as you can see, the MSI Modern 14H was able to do all of this with ease. In fact, I'm so pleased with the work that I'm actually going to use this image as the thumbnail for this video. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let us show you how powerful this laptop really is. We will now play GTA 5 on the MSI Modern 14H. This is one of the most popular games out there, and the MSI Modern 14H and its integrated GPU can handle it with ease. That's how capable the MSI Modern 14H really is, even without a dedicated GPU. And the icing on the cake is the fact that the MSI Modern 14H is also very reasonably priced, which makes it perfect for budding photographers. So, if you are a photographer looking for a compact, portable and powerful laptop, the MSI Modern 14H should definitely be high on your list of considerations. Thank you so much for watching, and for more such videos you can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified when we upload a new video. This is me, Samir, signing off. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.